ACCA June Attempt is just few weeks away.
So are you confident or just hopeful? Here's the truth nobody tells you. You've practiced, you've made your notes, and you've watched lectures. But when you sit in that exam hall, your mind goes blank. The questions look nothing like what you practiced, and that 3-hour exam feels like a nightmare. It's not your fault. ACCA doesn't test what you know. It tests how fast you can apply it under pressure. And that's the gap most students miss. So we're doing something about it.
edZeb is back with ACCA Revisionary Lectures 2.0 from 18th to 29th May.
8 subjects will be fully covered.
And with more power this time.
You'll get case study breakdowns, financial analysis, and you'll be learning from ex-Big Four faculty who have worked the dream jobs you're preparing for. Plus, you'll be getting free mock tests and practice questions to prepare for your exams confidently. And all of this, 100% free. But here's the catch, and trust me when I say this. The seats are filling fast and this opportunity won't come again. So ask yourself, do you want to enter that exam hall confidently or just by crossing your fingers?
Register now for the free ACCA Revisionary Lectures and ace that June attempt.